Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cancel Jetstar flight and get refund. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and your of course count. And in the very middle of the screen, you have an option where you can go and actually book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cancel a Jetstar flight and get a refund. So first of all, go and click on manage booking. So go here and click on manage booking. Then enter your booking reference and last name. So you can go do that here. Then select the option to cancel a booking. Follow the prompts, of course, to complete the cancellation process. Jetstar refund policy depends on your ticket fare and the timing of your cancellation. Generally, you can cancel a flight up to 4 hours before departure. If the flight is delayed by 4 or more hours, you may be eligible for a full refund. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.